Oh my goodness, I am so sorry, Adventure Squad. Everybody keeps calling me in the middle of the YouTube video. I already added the contact solution and people keep calling me, so I still sent the video so you still get what I'm doing. But I already added this one and this one, so I did add the baking soda and the contact solution. I don't know how to do this. Please tell me if I'm doing this right. I feel like I do because it's like, oops, okay, now I think I need to add like more of this and like more of this. I'm not sure if I'm doing this right. Like you mix it. I really don't know. I think I'm doing this right. Make a wish upon the star. Well, this worked out pretty good. Look at this. Have to say that's amazing. Don't know what I'm doing 2 different ways how to make slime. I'm doing the contact solution one and the borax. So this is the contact solution. I think I had too much of the contact solution. It's kind of rubbery, but it's so good. It's still good. And so I'm gonna let that go like that. Now I'm going to be doing this one. Look how pretty the color is. It's not black. It's like this purplish, bluish, pinkish color. Probably like, that's not even a color. I know. So I'm going to... So the first thing I want to do is... I'm used to doing this method. I didn't really tell you how I did this method. So the first thing that happened was my phone died. So I connected it. A few minutes later, my Nana called. And I'm like, what the heck? I'm shooting a YouTube video for my fans. I didn't tell him that though. And so now, I'm going to teach you how to make this one. Really good at making this one. So, first, I should probably get ready to the video. Probably like, stop talking. I know. That's some of that. Okay, I'm gonna add some water. I'm gonna add some water. First, you wanna add, wait, did I don't think I had water. See, add some water. Oops, I think I had too much. Okay, and then to this one, you wanna add, I'm guessing how much you need. So, okay, so then I think I can take, you mix that together. I don't think it has to evolve. That's done with. I'm gonna stir this with the water. If you don't know, it's like weird bluish, purplish color. Okay, since I got that done, wow, it actually evolved. That's the first. Wait. Okay, so, gonna add some to the mixture. This one doesn't really work out for me. I really don't know why. It's like, this makes it. So this is what's happening to it. I feel like it's gonna be jiggly slime. Kind of can see the purpleness. It's a pretty color, I think. It's not really that, it's not black. I don't like things that are black. It's really sticky. It's really sticky though. Okay, I think I had too much. No! Now I'm just gonna let that evolve. I'm gonna take this out. Gotta do that. that. Yeah. Milestone. So then this is it. Kind of see the color. This is my slime. Tell me, which one do you think is better? The one with the borax? Or the one with the contact solution? Comment down below. Give this video a big like this video. And please subscribe for more and more videos like this. And tell me what to do for my next video. And a shout out to my friend Mooey or Maui. Mooey, yeah, I think it is. So